Sunny fam, your coach Dee here, and this is day 3 of a 4-part series of winter workouts to build them summer bodies, you know, getting it right. So join me, come on, we're doing a circuit, it's gonna be fun, let's go. All right, we are ready. This is 3rd day of 4. Of course, you can do it out of order if you want to. We're doing full body. Today's gonna be circuit style, 6 moves, but we're doing it 3 times, little rest. The only rest you're gonna get is transitioning from one move to the next. So it's gonna be a good one. You're gonna get sweaty, heart rate is gonna be up, we're gonna get warm. Right away, let's go into our warm up. Now, of course, I like to start off with a nice gentle march because when you start moving, you gotta get the body to go from point A, which is 0 miles per hour, to point B, which is probably 100 miles per hour. So, we gotta get an efficient movement here, as an efficient warm up here for a good workout, okay? So we're warming it up. Drive those knees higher and higher as you go through each march. So you're progressively gonna get higher and higher, drive off those toes, keep those shoulders back, neck is nice and long, abs are super tight, of course. Good, now let's go into a nice jog, super light, really easy to do. Good, keep those elbows at your side. They're kind of tucked into the sides of your body. Of course, they're swinging back and forth. They're just not out this way, okay? We're here, good. Perfect, and just for fun, let's go side to side. Woo, side, side. And you see I have dumbbells out, okay? Now we have one move where we need to incorporate the dumbbells, and that is going to be a dumbbell squat, okay? But right now, just warm it up. Once we get through that first round, that's gonna be your icebreaker round. You're gonna get to know the movements, but those next 2, you're gonna go hard because you're gonna already be familiar with the movements, okay? 3 rounds, like I said, 6 moves. Okay, next warm up, just out to the sides here, some arm circles, getting those arms moving, but let's go ahead and keep those legs moving, so a little tiny march. Switch the arm circles to the opposite direction, going backwards. Perfect. Good, all right, now we're gonna push the walls out. So the side walls, you're gonna touch the shoulders, push the side walls out, or just here is fine. But if you could use that full range of motion, I would encourage you to keep that full range of motion because you don't wanna ever lose that. So if you can come all the way in, get those thumbs on the shoulders, and then push all the way out, do that for me, yeah? Good, trust me, you'll thank me later. Keep that full range of motion. Good, now we're pressing up and down. Press the ceiling up, come all the way back down. Big full range, full motion. Nice, and this is good because I want to get those shoulders warmed up because we are going to have a push-up, okay? Good, now bring it to a stop. We're gonna do a nice big windmill with one side. Good, the other side. I should call it an arm, right? Switch. Other arm, one more time each arm. Good. Nice, all right, 6 moves for you. We got jumping jacks, we got mountain climbers, we got dumbbell squats, that's where the dumbbells come in, keep them close, but also when you're done with the dumbbell squats, put the dumbbells where they're safe so you don't trip over them. Push-ups, plank jacks, and bicycle crunch, okay? 20 seconds each. 1, 2, 3, jumping jacks, go. Good, we got 20 seconds here. And remember, little to no rest. All you get is that transitional phase between your moves. Next up is coming mountain climbers, but not yet. We got 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Mountain climbers, hands on the floor, and you can do these slow, or you can do these fast. It's totally up to you, okay? Or you can be right here. It's up to you. Or you can come deep with it, okay? Make it your style. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Third move, dumbbell squats, okay? Down and up. I like to use my front rack. Some people can go side here. Front rack is just, I prefer it. It's up to you. As long as you're not cheating the move, you're good. Good. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Remember, 20 seconds each. We're moving. All right, next is push-ups, okay? I'm gonna go modified. You can go on the toes, up and down. Good. Woo, look at the time, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, all right. Now, from there, plank jacks. Plank jack is here. You're in a plank and you're just doing a jumping jack with your feet. Easy. Good. This makes for a smoother transition. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it up. All right. Actually, no, pop it down. Bicycle crunches are next on the back, and bicycle crunch. Good work. 10 seconds to go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So those are your 6 moves. We're going right back up to the first move. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. You got it. 10 more seconds. Abs are tight, neck is long. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the dirt. Mountain climbers, let's go. 20 seconds. Good, so you wanna try not to be super bouncy with it again. You can go slow, you can go fast. We got 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, you know what's next. Dumbbell squats. Hold the dumbbells however you prefer. Just hit that bottom part of the squat, hit that top part of the squat, meaning I'm nice and stacked, okay? All the way down, all the way up. Good. And don't forget to breathe. Abs are tight. I told you this one was gonna be a good one. We're moving and we're grooving. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Push-ups. Choose your poison. You can go on your knees, you can go on your toes. I choose toes today, for the second round at least. Good. And remember, 20 seconds. We got 5 more seconds left here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn it over on the back. Bicycle crunch. Go. 20 seconds. Oh, guess what we forgot, you guys? We forgot the plank jacks. We're gonna add those in right after the bicycle crunch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right back over. Get in that plank and bicycle, plank jacks. Abs tight. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it up. All right. Round 3, last round, 20 seconds. Oh, not the dumbbells. Jumping jacks. I'm losing my mind. See what happens when you circuit train? Let's go. Come on. See, I'm not a machine, I'm human. It happens. But that's okay. We're getting a good workout in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Mountain climbers. Hit the dirt. Knees in and out. Go. Again, slow or fast, you choose. After this, dumbbell squats. 5, 4, 3, 2, take it up. Grab those dumbbells and hit it. Down low, get up high. Get back down, get up high. Remember, stack those hips over those knees, chest nice and tall, neck nice and long. All the way down, all the way up. You got time for 2 more squats. Let's go, get those reps. 1 and 2. And we're done with those. Good, dumbbells aside. We got push-ups, choose your poison. 20 seconds, let's go. Down and up, good work. We're already halfway done. We got 10 more seconds. Hang on to it, don't give up. Push yourself right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, plank jacks, go. 20 seconds, sorry. In and out. You can even alternate, tap and tap. You see how I do that? You can do that too. 10 more seconds. 5, come on. 3, 2, 1. Good. Last one, bicycle. 20 seconds here. Keep that neck nice and long. Try not to pull that chin in too close to the chest. You don't want to have a double chin. Keep it nice and light. Try to get that shoulder off the floor. So I am almost done here. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Reach it overhead, feet out. Now, one stretch for today. Pretend somebody's pulling on your ankles, the other person's pulling on your wrist, and stretch. Flare that rib cage for me. Inhale, exhale. One more time, big stretch. Inhale, exhale. Good, and give the knees a hug. You guys are amazing, and I hope to see you again. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Love you guys. See you later.